Hey there, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time checking in, please click that subscribe button down below. Also remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. In this video, we will be installing and reviewing the Hella full-size LED light bar. If you've watched this channel for any time, you know I've done some other Hella products in the past. So when I spoke with Hella and they said that they had this 48-inch light bar available, I said, yeah, I would love to do a video of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this. This one has all ambers to the front with 2 white takedowns. It also has all ambers to the rear with traffic advisor capabilities, and then you also have your 2 white LEDs to the side for alley lights. Now this is my first time ever installing a full-size light bar, and it's a really straightforward process, but it does require a bit of mock-up. Make sure you get everything loosened up as far as bolts, get it all fitted where it needs to be, measured out, and then you can go ahead and get everything snugged down from there. It's really a straightforward process. Also, the stainless steel straps I did cover in just a vinyl wrap material just to match the black truck. It is again a very simple process. You just get this lined up. It's 2 very small holes and 2 screws that hold in the strap, and when you get them both installed and in position, you can go ahead then and screw down the 2 side bolts, which just tighten it all down. And this thing is very snug. I've actually gone through the car wash with it a couple times, and it really is held on there very securely. And for the wiring, it just runs right into the door jamb into the cab of the truck, and then you just want to put that into where you'll be routing your switch. And now we can go ahead and get into wiring up the light bar controller. As you see, it does come with all the mounting hardware and a very adjustable bracket, so you have a lot of mounting solutions for this controller. I'm going to go ahead and mount it down on this middle passenger seat so it's within reach of the driver, and then just go ahead and follow the wiring schematic. It is very basic wiring. Now these GM trucks offer the best cheating spot for running wires. It's not the proper way to do it. I do advise going through the firewall, but it's just so easy to run these wires through the door jamb. You can get them up out of the way and then go ahead and attach everything to the battery. You see it does have an inline fuse holder, which is very important to put in line. And now that we have it all wired up, you can see it works perfectly. This thing is way brighter than I thought it would have been. It definitely outperforms any of these smaller mini bars that you may be considering. This thing in the bright sunlight is just, it's visible from a very far distance, and it does have 360-degree coverage, which if you're working in some environments, they do require that, so this does meet those requirements. Now at nighttime, this thing is very bright, but it's also not so bright that it's blinding. Light, again, as I've said this in videos previously, it's what they do with the light that makes it useful. This, again, it's very visible from a far distance, but it's not going to blind anybody coming onto you, which you don't want either. So again, this is a very, very high quality light. Now the idea with the takedown lights is that it basically gives you just a bit of concealment by basically blinding anybody who's looking back at you. It just gives you that little level of concealment. And with the light bars behind the grill of my truck, the LED 350s, this thing just looks absolutely menacing. The alley takedown lights are also very useful if you're trying to get any sort of visual out of the side of the truck. So I will leave you here with the 29 flash patterns of this light bar. I'll just run through them all here. So thank you very much for watching. Again, if this is your first time watching, please click subscribe down below. And remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. And again, I wanted to thank Hella for providing this light bar for this video. And thank you very much. We will see you next time.